Hello, hello, hello. Scott Rosano with Gigbuilder.com. Going to teach you today about meeting locations. This is episode number 110, and this is version 7. Now, we're going to go somewhere different if you've been following through all our videos. In order to do meeting locations, we're actually going to go to Resources, Other, and Meeting Locations. What is a meeting location? A meeting location is separate from a venue, somewhere where you'll meet with somebody, but you probably won't do a gig there. Gigbuilder, when you go into creating appointments, things like that, you can grab your meeting locations from any venue you have in your database, plus these. So again, these are really good. Like for example, a Starbucks. Nobody is going to go to do a wedding at a Starbucks, but then again, you never know. They might have a big one somewhere. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and just press new. And the first thing we have on here is a quick ad. So this is going to use Google My Business to pull that information out. So we're going to find the Starbucks in our local area. We've only got one. It's a small town. The Starbucks. And now, generally speaking, it should automatically set your location to where you are. Because we're on Starlink, it goes through Atlanta's. That's why we have a lot of Atlanta stuff. Most people don't have that problem. So I'll just type in my town, Murphy, and there it is. So I click on that. Boom. Google brings all this information in for me. So now I've got my meeting location set up, my name, address. Didn't bring in an email, didn't bring in a Wi-Fi password. We can find that later. We'll go over this in a section. This little question mark here goes through Foursquare and finds it again. So if you click on Starbucks, it'll bring even more information, such as I've got an image here, and that's exactly our image too. It's inside of a store. That's how small of a town we have. The location map and things will re-update as soon as we save this, but let's go through the few other items that we have on here. Location name is pretty simple. Address, city, state, zip postal, email, Wi-Fi password you can get from them. We suggest putting all those in there. That way the next time you go there, you don't have to ask anybody. Kind of nice to have. Phone number and website. You also have some location notes that you can put in with your location note. When you're done with all this, you can save it from here, or you can save it from here, like everywhere else in Gigbuilder. So once I've saved, now it's popped up on my screen. I can click to open my Starbucks. And there it is. There's my Starbucks. There's the picture. There's all the information. I haven't put any notes in yet, and I've got my map. So with that, we'll go back to the home page. That's all we have for this one. Pretty simple. Now we're ready for the next video.